Alright, I just heard a call of a flicker, northern flicker. I've heard the flicker in this vicinity before, and there's a good looking tree right there. It's dead and old and large. We're gonna just kind of poke around that tree, see if there's a flicker nest within the tree. Okay, so there's a hole in the tree. It's the size of a flicker. I've looked at it. It looks fairly new, but not particularly fresh. Gotta get a better viewpoint of it though. Okay, so from a little further back, this hole is looking better actually as a potential flicker nest site. While most of the cavity looks a little old, there's actually a portion of the hole entrance that is freshly excavated. The wood is a little bit lighter in color. So I'm going to just watch this hole for 10 or 15 minutes, see if any bird happens to go in or out. Okay, so I'm still watching this hole, no activity. And I'm beginning to doubt myself. There's some red-eyed vireos around here, and while most of their call sounds quite vireo-like, once in a while you hear a portion of it that sounds like the flicker clear call. Okay, there's a hairy woodpecker in these woods. I heard it give a squeaky call. And it's about the time for hairy woodpeckers to be feeding their young, and they get really upset when a person gets near their nest. So I'm hoping, well, frankly, to disturb the hairy woodpecker nest so that I can find it. Alright, so I have found a downy woodpecker nest. Parents are visiting it on a pretty regular basis. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. That's better. The nest hole is at the center of your screen. And basically I found it by, I heard a downy woodpecker give a call in this vicinity. Then I saw it, and it was flying back and forth from this particular spot, so it didn't take too much effort to actually find the center of the activity. And my arms are getting tired. Okay, there he is. It's a she, actually. She's on the cavity, goes in. So this nest is fairly young because the parents are spending a little bit of time in the nest cavity itself before coming out again and looking for more food. Alright, I think the other parent is in the vicinity. Alright, she leaves. And I think the male is nearby. He's gonna go in pretty soon. There's somebody arriving. And they go in. Alright, there we go. That's a downy woodpecker nest.